Hi folks, I'm Amartya from Codeant-ai. We are building an end-to-end code review platform. It includes AI code reviews, code quality checks, and code security. Today, we are releasing new features in code security, which is SCA, Software Composition Analysis. Why is it needed? Because it helps you protect your entire code base from open source vulnerabilities and license issues that can potentially put your business at risk. Why? Because you have built a software where you would be using a lot of open source code, and now if a critical vulnerability exists in one of their packages and you're using that in production, you have to make sure you are always protected and you are informed about any such critical vulnerabilities. This is step one. Step two will be to inform you if that particular package version or software version is not supported because you are using so many open source code. This is what we call as end of life software. So today we'll be discussing about these two things. Let's deep dive. So guys, I'm in my app.codeant.ai. You can see ways to log in, which is either connect your GitHub, Bitbucket, or GitLab, or even GitLab self-hosted. I'll use GitHub. For enterprises, we provide on-prem deployment, and we're also SOC 2 compliant. So I'll see all the repositories which is there in my organization. I'll pick one. Let's say I pick this one. It'll scan that entire repository and tell me the entire health at one single place. This actually helps teams to gain infinite visibility in the problems that they have in their repository. I'll go down to SCA. I'll click here. It'll scan all the packages that I'm using and it'll tell me any critical package which is there in my software. So I see Jolib, which I'm using, is having a critical CVE. So let's click here. It'll give me a CVSS score. It is of 9.8. It's pretty bad. It'll tell me the package, give me a detail about that, and this is actually mapped to National Vulnerability Database, which is the sole truth. It'll explain the issue. You can click and learn about it, and it'll tell you in which version it is fixed. Similarly, you can learn about different packages which are exposed. So this is the first piece, finding packages which have high critical vulnerabilities and knowing more about them. The second piece is about understanding, do we have software or packages which are dead? Correct? There's zero support for them because the chances of them getting attacked is very high. So let's find out. I'll go to end of life scan, click here. Let me pick my front end, and I see the Alpine that I was using, this version is dead was dead basically 10 months ago. Correct? I'm seeing Node.js version which was dead around 12 months ago. I'm seeing a Vue.js version which is dead. And it'll tell you which is the live version. If you click here, it'll tell you the current version which is coming and where you should actually migrate to. So it gives software teams understanding of what particular software that they're using, which is already dead at one single dashboard. This is SCA. Tomorrow we'll be releasing SAST, so stay tuned. Thank you.